Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Teresa. Have you ever had a broken coffee mug that you didn't want to throw away because you liked it so much? Today I'm going to show you how a broken coffee mug can be turned into a beautiful planter like this. What I have here is this broken teacup. This was my daughter's favorite cup. So she asked me whether I can turn this into a planter. So what I did was I cut out a plastic piece like this. So we can put this plastic piece to cover the broken side. Since this is transparent, when we put the stones or soil, we can see through this transparent side. So first we can fill the bottom of the cup with these marble stones. Now I am going to put this wooden piece over the stones, so this will separate the stones from the cactus mix that we are going to use. So I am going to plant this baby cactus and this Sansevieria cylindrica, a type of snake plant, so we can put some cactus mix in it. Cacti need well draining soil, so this is a special cactus mix. So you can fill the cup with the cactus mix. So I fill this about 1 inch below the rim of the cup. Now we can plant the baby cactus first. Now we can plant this Sansevieria cylindrica, but it's a type of snake plant. So I'm going to dig a small hole here. Okay. We can put some extra soil around it too. Now we can top it with some decorative stones. And behind the cactus, I'm going to use this miniature globe just for the decoration. Now we can water the cactus and the Sansevieria. So I'm going to use this container with the small opening so we can control the water that you are using. Cactus needs only watering once a week. They don't need a lot of water. They don't like to be sitting in water. So now what I'm going to do is, I have this name tag. You can write any message on it if it is for a gift. I just wrote my daughter's name on it. So I'm going to attach this to the handle. Now this broken teacup has turned into a nice planter. Hope you have enjoyed my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.